Hello, I'm Matt. Welcome to the Make Money with AI Agents. In today's video, I will show you how you can get insight, how you can make technical analysis with AI Agent. We will set up an AI Agent and it will reach all the data, all the stock market charts from all around the world. You can set up for Nasdaq or you can set up for Japan stock market. It's up to you. Now let's dive in. I will show you how you can set up this system from scratch step by step. Now, you can see our screen, our system here. Let me show you. First, we have stock market agent, and it gets our message through Telegram. By the way, I like using Telegram because it's so easy to use in AI agents. It's easy to customize. That's why I am using this. After that, our AI agent using chat model as DeepSeek, and we have window buffer memory, and we have get chart tool, and it's a tool workflow. And it's another workflow. So with this tool, we are calling this workflow get our request from this agent. And after getting image of the chart from stock market, we are getting the image, we are analyzing the image, and after we are sending the image through Telegram. This, we have two analysis tools. And also we have this one. We have two analysis in this case. I will show you how you can set up from scratch and how you can use it. First, let's test this system together. Okay, start. Hey, I want technical analysis of like this. Okay, we are seeing test workflow. It get the message, use the window buffer memory, saved it, and now we are using the chart tool. Now we will get our analysis chart image, and after get we will get our analysis. And after I will show you how you can set up this. Let's check. We get the analysis chart. Let me show you. As you can see, this is Apple's analyzing chart right now. We get this at this moment, exact this moment. You can work this system over and over. Now we get this and we have analysis. Let's check our analysis. Coming from here. Let me check. Now you can see from the candlestick indicator, trend Apple appears to be long-term bullish trend. Despite a recent pullback, resistance support, there's notable resistance near 240 and support 220. MACD currently shows the MACD line below the signal line, hunting at the short-term bearish momentum volume. Recent selling has occurred above average volume, suggesting stronger bearish sentiment. So this points to a short-term pullback within a generally upward trend. Keep in mind that market conditions can change quickly, so it's wise to stay updated on industry news and quarterly earnings. If you have any more questions or want clarification on these indicators, let me know. We can ask more detailed analysis, for example. I need more detailed analysis. It will use this one time. Wow. Now we have more detailed report, as you can see, more detailed technical analysis of Apple stock. You can see trend. There is trend, candlestick patterns, moving average convergence, divergence, volume, support and resistance analysis. You can see there is resistance near 240, support around 225, and it says a break could open the door the next support zone near 210. So it's a detailed analysis actually, as you can see, and we have summary here. You can check this ones. There is trend as all the analysis so powerful. All the analysis really so detailed, as you can see, and we have all data, all technical reasons why it's saying this, because there is technical analysis here. And overall is, as you can see, Apple seeing a short-term bearish momentum within a long-term bullish context. Based on its broader performance, it says, I don't know. It's helpful to watch whether the stock can hold or reclaim key support levels and how volume looks if the price continues to consolidate or break lower. Of course, it's not an investment advice, but you have your own economist, your own technical analysis 24/7 near to you. You can create lots of AI agents, you can create lots of solutions with AI agents. All the systems will change. The world we know is changing. Works shifting to AI, and we have to use to it, and we have to use it actually. That's why I'm telling this one. And in our community, we are creating AI businesses. Nowadays, it can sound a little bit strange, but it will be common actually. So I will like this new world. Now, I will show you how you can set up your one, your technical analysis, your economist, step by step. First, if you want to set Telegram, you can open your Telegram and you can reach to bot feeder. You will say new bot in the screen and it will create a bot for you. Thanks to this, you will get your API key from bot feeder and you will come here, you will paste here. Also, you have to start your bot. I will show you how you can start your bot, but you will create your credential in N8N with the API key bot feeder gives you. After setup this one, configuring this one, we have AI agent node. This is a tools agent, and let me show you this. How we can add this tools agent. You can see this is a tools agent. I will show you how we can set it. By the way, if you don't know what is N8N, is a no-code AI agent building platform. You can build your personal AI agent. You can build your business AI agent, and you can customize AI agent. You can create many variation of AI agents. And in the Make Money with AI Agents channel, I am showing in my channel. I'm showing all the possibilities one by one. And also I am trying to add every day one agent, one video tutorial, so you can learn how you can create this. But also in the Make Money with AI Agents community, school community, I'm sharing ready to use blueprints, so you can download and you can start to use exact system from that. Okay, we have AI agent is a tools agent. You can see you can choose agents. There's conversational agent, OpenAI function agent, plan and execute agents. We are using in other scenarios, other agents is up to what we need. Now we have JSON message tag. It's getting the message from Telegram and giving this agent. That's why we are using this expression. Now let's check our prompt. We are an AI agent in discussing financial topics and analyzing stocks. Our primary objective is to assist users with professional yet friendly conversations about financial market. This is the overview. This is the context. By the way, I have to tell you, this is a tactic of prompting because we are giving overview, context, instructions, tools. Because it's a tools agent, it has to know it can use a chart tool for generating stock graphs. Also, we are giving examples, example answers, example operations. So we are giving all the information. By the way, we have standard of operating procedure too. So this is the expert level prompting, and this is the most important part of this process actually. When you are creating agent, prompting is so important. I'm sharing again this prompting skills. Also, I have exclusive chatbot we are using in our community for this. What I'm showing you right now, you can copy and paste this, and you can use same structure for your AI agents. You can see we have tools, examples, standard operating procedures, final notes. This is the agent, basically, an agent using these tools. By the way, I dropped the link up here. I'm showing how you can use DeepSeek. Now we have get chart tool. This is you can see get chart and call this tool to get analysis of requested stock. The URL that is output from this tool must be returned markdown format. This is important. Now what is this? We are choosing another workflow to use from our database. So this agent can use another workflow, another N8N workflow actually. And this is the get chart. We choose this, so it will use this workflow, and really soon I will show how it's working. Lastly, we have sent analysis, Telegram note. Why we are putting this? Because we sent the message, but we want the result as message to Telegram because we are chatting with our bot through Telegram. You can make it Slack or WhatsApp. It's up to you. This is the send message. You can see chat ID, JSON output, like this. I am going fast. You can stop, you can slow, but I am trying to show everything in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I don't want to get lots of time. I am more practical person. Now, this is our second workflow. I put here just for showing is working here actually. You can see. Now we have workflow input trigger. Why we have this? Because we want to use agent, and this agent, when use this get chart tool, it will trigger here. When it will trigger here, this workflow start to work. After it, we have set ticker. This is important. We are choosing ticker, string and JSON query coming from our trigger. Now, this is the most important part of this workflow. We have get chart URL. What is this? We are posting HTTP request to chartimage.com. And this is the exact URL we are posting this request. For authentication, we are using this system because I will show you now. As you can see, we have API documentation here. Base API endpoint, and we are using API version 2. So it's asking X API key, your API key. That's why we are using X API key as header. We are adding header and name X API key, and you can paste your API value getting from the chart image. It's so easy. You can log in, you can sign up, and you can get your API directly. After that, we have another one because it's asking content like this. We are adding content type application JSON header too. Now we have body. We are sending the JSON body because it's custom HTTP request. We are structuring as the chartimage.com asking from us. That's why we are using this expression. Let me show you. You can copy and paste again this one too. This is the expression. We are sending the Nasdaq, and this is the format. After that, we download the chart. It's coming from previous request. We first make HTTP request for post, and now we are getting this request. After it, the most important part, we have Technical Analysis Agent. Note, actually, we are using vision, actually, analyze image. We will use GPT-4. Role is you are an expert financial. Let me show you again. You are an expert financial analyst specializing in technical analysis of stock charts. Your role is to analyze financial charts provided to you and offer comprehensive insights into the technical aspects, etc. It's like this. We are asking candlestick analysis. We are asking MACD analysis, volume analysis, support and resistance levels. This is important because we are getting our results like this. It's analyzing the chart image coming and it's sending back to us. And this is the Telegram. We are sending the chart back from here. Send photo. That's why we're using send photo. You will use your chat ID here. And this is the expression we are using. JSON is coming from here. We are getting the image from here and sending to ourselves. Actually, we are sending ourselves back. Lastly, we have this one, string again, response string. We are sending the response to get chart tool, and this agent gets this analysis, adding its aspects, analyzing more, actually, sending back to us. We are getting the chart image and we are getting the analysis. So I showed how you can set up this system from scratch, actually. This is a really powerful system. You can create it easily, but if you want to use it directly or if you want to create another solution with this one, you can join our community, Make Money with AI Agents. We are figuring out ways to money with AI agents, and we are creating AI businesses. It's part of our systems. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please, and you can subscribe if you want to catch other AI agent videos from me. Bye.